Hey everyone, I'm Dylan from Node Finance, and today we're going to be going over our Cloud Backup SDK. In most cases, this will probably be used for backing up your user's wallet credentials to their cloud storage. It uses either iCloud or Google Drive. It will encrypt based off of a given password and then store in a private directory. So this SDK actually is not really connected with any other part of the node stack. So it is something that even if you're not using any other part of Node's SDKs, you can still take advantage of this. It's not hooked to an API key or anything. It's totally free. It's just a neat tool. So we'll go through a quick demo, and then following that, we'll go through the code and see how easy it is to actually implement this. So for the purpose of the demo, I allow a password, data, and file name. And just to show that this is all actually happening behind the scenes, I'm going to generate some random words to use for those three fields. So a random generator here, I'm just going to generate some random words. So I have slow, encouraging, and taboo. Now I just have to click encrypt and backup, and this is going to take that password, use it to encrypt the data, and then upload it to iCloud in my case because I am on iOS. I can see backup was successful, and we can go and try to fetch that. And the file name was taboo, and we'll see. Give it a second to fetch, and we can see retrieval was successful. My data was encouraging. We can try, let's try getting the password incorrect. So we'll do slowly, and the file name is still going to be taboo. We'll see that the decryption failed because I didn't have the right password. So that was a very quick run through. Now on the left, we can see the actual code behind this. So going back over to decrypting raw data, all that takes is a call to encrypt and save data to cloud. I tell it that I want to store the data in iCloud. I give it the data as a string, password as a string, and then file name as a string. There are additional options that we go over in our documentation, such as if you want to specify your own custom encryption or your own custom path. That's an option we give to you. And then finally, we go down to decrypt data. And to get the data from the cloud, all we have to do, very similarly, is tell it what storage location. So in this case, it's iCloud. We give it the password and the file name. Again, there are some other options here, like decryptor. If you used custom encryption to encrypt it, you're going to have to use a complementary decryptor to decrypt it. But it's as easy as that to get our Cloud Backup SDK integrated. So you can go check out the docs. If you go to nodefinance.org, we have links to the docs and you can get started. And while you're there, why not create an account and get started with the rest of the node stack too?